How to brew kombucha. What you will need: a bottle of raw kombucha, a glass container, a cloth, a pot, 2 cups of water, and 1 cup of granulated white sugar. Kombucha: a glass jar, 1 cup of granulated white sugar, a pot with 2 cups of water, green tea, and a cloth to cover it. Place the pot of 2 cups of water on the stove, place in 2 of the tea bags that you're using, and then pour in 1 cup of sugar. Take the pot and stir it around a bit to continue mixing the sugar into the water and tea mixture. Stir the sugar in because you want it to dissolve into the tea and water. Bring the water to a boil, allowing all of the sugar to dissolve into the water. Do not overboil it because this will prevent oxygen from being in the tea. Without oxygen, the yeast cannot go through aerobic respiration, allowing them to make more yeast. Remove it from the heat and wait 15 minutes. Once the tea is cooled, you can carefully remove the tea bags. These can be placed into a compost pile or the garbage. Once both are removed, the tea can be poured into the glass container. Make sure your container is glass because if it isn't, the plastic containers can leach harmful chemicals into your kombucha. Take your bottle of kombucha. I'm using original, but you can use one with flavor in it. And you will see that there's gelatinous mass on the bottom. This mass is the symbiotic culture of yeast and bacteria that you'll be using to brew the new SCOBY. Unscrew the bottle and pour it into your tea and sugar mixture. The sugar will allow it to go through both anaerobic and aerobic respiration. Cover the kombucha to prevent any harmful bacteria or flies from getting into it. Cover it with cloth so that it can remain in an aerobic environment. This is an old SCOBY that was placed into tea. If you look closely, you can see the new SCOBY is growing on top. Both the new and the old SCOBY can be used to brew a new batch of kombucha tea.